Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button that is below and the notification bell just beside it. And if you're not new, welcome back, boo. So in today's video, it's going to be a very quick one. I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair in cornrows. I've had my hair in cornrows for like 2 days right now, and I don't want to leave it in a state of abandonment, so I have to moisturize it. So this I'm going to be moisturizing so that my hair doesn't shed off as much as it's meant to shed when I loosen it. So without further ado, you know what we do, boo. Let's just get right into this video. First thing that I would apply to my hair is my black tea. I have black tea in this big spray bottle. I want to apply this directly to my scalp. I have 4 cornrows. I want to apply it directly to my scalp in the 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, 3 sections for 4 cornrows. So this is my black tea. Basically, I have a video already about black tea. I'll have it linked below. This will be the first link you see on here. Just spray and massage it into my scalp. I use black tea because of it prevents shedding, to be honest. The extra DHT and all that good stuff helps to prevent shedding. So I'm just applying black tea all around. And then I'll just take my hand and I'll just massage it in. So the next thing I do is I take my Softeenaturals Pure Shea Leave-In Lotion that I received from Hair Essentials by AX. And this is the consistency. I love using this for my, I even use this to make the cornrow. I'm going to massage it on my palm and work it. Just dab it into each cornrow, just around like this. Not like I'm going to, let me using my ends. So I'm kind of doing it in this way so that I don't scatter my hair. Like, I don't want to scatter anything. I still have to have this in for about 2 weeks. So I just do this. Then the next thing I do is I take this oil and apply it on my scalp. I'm using the oil inside this bottle is my African Pride 5-in-1 oil. I have to pour it here because I mistakenly broke. My sister mistakenly broke the other one, the head of the other one. So I have to like deposit it here. So I'll apply this directly to my scalp. Apply it to my edges because, man, these edges, they need to be revived. So I go around and I massage it in. Take my avocado oil from Hair Essentials by Axe, from their range Axe Organics, and I just apply little to my, I do it in the same way I do my leave-in lotion. Apply it to the ends of my hair. And then I tie up my hair. The reason why I use avocado oil is because it switches so much nutrients. Like the amount of stuff, I have it on the screen that it has. Oh boy, I cannot let it pass me by. So that's why I apply it. So my hair is set and I'm ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really a very quick one, but I know someone would have learned a thing or two. So if you learned a thing or two, please tell me in the comment section. Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Catchy. Subscribe to my channel because I know you love me, boo. And I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.